Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today we're uncovering Almeria, a hidden Spanish gem where deserts meet the sea, ancient fortresses tower over villages, and every corner is a surprise. Get ready for sun-drenched beaches, wild landscapes, and mouth-watering tapas as we explore 19 unforgettable spots. Grab your sunglasses and appetite. Let's dive into the magic of Almeria. Our journey begins at the Alcazaba of Almeria, a breathtaking fortress that rises above the city like a silent guardian. Its imposing walls and towers have watched over Almeria for centuries, standing as a testament to the region's rich and turbulent history. This is the second largest Moorish fortress in all of Andalusia, surpassed only by the Alhambra in Granada. Sprawling across a hilltop, the Alcazaba dominates the landscape, offering a glimpse into the grandeur of architecture and the strategic importance of this site. There's no better place to begin our adventure than here, at the majestic Alcazaba, where history, beauty, and wonder come together in perfect harmony. Next, we journey to Cabo de Gata-Níjar Natural Park, a breathtaking expanse where the land meets the sea in a dramatic display of nature's raw power. This untouched volcanic landscape is a sanctuary of rugged cliffs, wild coves, and crystal-clear waters that shimmer under the Andalusian sun. Here the coastline stretches for miles, revealing hidden corners and secret beaches waiting to be discovered by those willing to explore. Along the way, keep your eyes peeled for rare wildlife. The salt flats of Cabo de Gata are home to elegant flamingos, wading gracefully in the shallow waters, and a variety of unique species that thrive in this protected environment, making it a paradise for nature lovers and birdwatchers alike. Cabo de Gata is truly the soul of Almeria, a place where nature reigns supreme and every moment is filled with wonder. Prepare to be amazed by its untamed spirit and unforgettable scenery. Playa de los Muertos. Don't let the name fool you. After a short hike, you'll find one of Spain's most stunning beaches, glowing turquoise water, white shingle, and dramatic cliffs. The effort to get here keeps it peaceful and pristine. Lay back, soak up the sun, and feel wonderfully alive. This is paradise, pure and simple. And get ready to step into a world where legends were born and adventure is around every corner. Time to channel your inner cowboy in the Tabernas Desert, the only true desert in Europe. Here, the sun blazes down on endless stretches of rugged terrain, and the wind whispers stories of outlaws, duels, and daring escapes. These sun-baked badlands were the iconic backdrop for classic westerns like The Good, The Bad, and The Ugly, and countless other legendary films. Directors from all over the world have chosen this dramatic landscape to bring their wildest stories to life, making it a true Hollywood favorite. Wander through cinematic canyons where famous duels were filmed, snap epic photos against the dramatic scenery, and visit the original film sets that still stand today. You can almost hear the echoes of movie magic in the air as you explore these legendary locations. The Tabernas Desert is movie magic and natural wonder rolled into one. With its breathtaking sunsets, unique wildlife, and rich cinematic history, this is the Wild West like you've never seen it before. Yee-haw! Back in the city, discover Almeria Cathedral, a fortress built to defend against pirate raids. Its thick walls and battlements hide a serene, light-filled interior, blending Gothic and Renaissance styles. Climb to the roof for panoramic views and a taste of history. This cathedral is both sanctuary and stronghold, a true symbol of Almeria's spirit. Step onto the original Western film sets at Oasys MiniHollywood, now a theme park. Watch live cowboy shootouts, explore the saloon, and enjoy a can-can show. There's also a zoo with exotic animals and a pool to cool off. It's a wild, fun-filled day for all ages. Relive the Wild West, Almeria style. At Las Salinas de Cabo de Gata, salt flats shimmer in pink and blue, attracting flocks of elegant flamingos. Watch these birds from observation points and stroll the nearby beach. The landscape is a mosaic of color and tranquility, a magical moment in nature. San José is the heart of Cabo de Gata, a laid-back village with whitewashed houses, a crescent beach, and a vibrant marina. Wander boutique-filled streets, feast on fresh seafood, and relax by the sea. It's the perfect place to slow down and savor local life. Pure Mediterranean charm. And climb to Castillo de San Cristobal for peaceful ruins and the best view of the Alcazaba. The hilltop statue and ancient walls offer a quiet spot to reflect. Capture postcard-perfect photos of the city and sea. A hidden gem for perspective and serenity. The Museum of Almeria brings the region's ancient history to life with award-winning design and interactive exhibits. Marvel at artifacts from prehistoric cultures and the impressive stratigraphic column. It's a fascinating, hands-on journey through time, perfect for history lovers and curious minds. Almerimar Marina is modern Mediterranean living. Palm-lined promenades, luxury yachts, and lively waterfront restaurants. Stroll, people watch, and enjoy a sunset dinner by the sea. It's a slice of the good life, Almeria style. Relax and indulge. Playa de los Genoveses is a pristine crescent of golden sand, surrounded by rolling hills and untouched nature. No buildings, no crowds, just pure, peaceful beauty. Perfect for families, picnics, and long walks by the sea. This is the beach of your dreams. Ready for adventure? Explore the Sorbas gypsum caves, an underground world of sparkling crystals and hidden lakes. Suit up, follow your guide, and crawl through winding passages. The formations glitter like diamonds in your headlamp. It's thrilling, beautiful, and unforgettable. Discover a secret world beneath Almeria. Mojácar Pueblo is a hilltop maze of whitewashed houses, cobblestone streets, and vibrant flowers. Get lost among artisan shops and cafes, then reach the mirador for breathtaking views. The village's Moorish charm and Bohemian spirit are irresistible. Pure Andalusian magic. Dive into Mercado Central, Almeria's bustling market of fresh seafood, local produce, and lively bars. Watch fishmongers at work, sample tapas, and soak up the city's flavors. It's a must for food lovers. Taste the real Almeria. Las Negras is Cabo de Gata's Bohemian hideaway, dark pebble beaches, creative energy, and funky bars. Rent a kayak or boat to reach the secluded Cala de San Pedro. Embrace the slow, unconventional pace and wild beauty. Adventure and relaxation with a twist. Stand at Faro de Cabo de Gata, the iconic lighthouse perched above dramatic cliffs and turquoise sea. Gaze at the legendary Mermaid's Reef and feel the power of nature. The views at sunrise or sunset are unforgettable. It's the edge of the world, Almeria style. Explore Rodalquilar's abandoned gold mines and ghostly ruins, now reclaimed by nature and artists. Visit the museum, stroll the botanical garden, and discover the village's creative revival. It's a journey through history, geology, and art. Rodalquilar is a story waiting to be uncovered. El Zapillo is Almeria's lively city beach, wide sands, a bustling promenade, and endless tapas bars. Swim, stroll, and join locals for a classic tapas crawl by the sea. It's the everyday joy of Almeria life, the perfect urban beach escape. That's a wrap on Almeria, where history, nature, and food create unforgettable adventures. If you loved this journey, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more perfect destinations. There's always more to explore, more to taste, and more memories to make. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and happy travels.